Most people get this wrong. They assume Swiffler is just another quick cash or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access split payment options and financial tracking tools in one platform. When used responsibly, Swiffler can help manage short-term cash needs without leading to long-term debt. Here's how Swiffler works. The app lets you access a portion of your earned wages before your payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can be divided into smaller installments over several weeks. Swiffler charges a predictable, flat fee per advance or installment rather than traditional interest, making budgeting simpler. Swiffler also offers dashboards, notifications, and repayment reminders. These tools help you monitor spending, track upcoming payments, and avoid late fees. The downside, overusing Swiffler can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments add up, and relying too heavily on the app may mask deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances you can repay on time. 2. Enable repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency on Swiffler. Who should use Swiffler? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, Swiffler could end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Swiffler in 2026 is a practical financial tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and actionable money tips.